In this video, we will learn how to delete Google Analytics account step by step. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Google Analytics account. We have already logged in. Now click on All Accounts option. Here you will find the list of all analytics accounts. Currently we have 2 accounts. We will delete the first one. So make sure you choose the correct account. Here keep in mind the associated properties will be deleted as well once you delete the analytics account. Now our account has been selected. Now locate admin option on the left sidebar and click on it. On the following page, click on account details. On the next page, look for move to trash can button and click on it. Finally, click trash account. Now our accounts are scheduled to be deleted. You can confirm it by clicking all accounts. Here you can see a strike through line on the first account and its associated property, which means it's now scheduled to be deleted. We can also find this message which says that our account has been moved to trash and it's scheduled to be deleted after 35 days. Once that period has passed, you will not be able to recover it. To restore your Google Analytics account within 35 days, click on trash button. Here you can see the final deletion date of our account is April 3. So we can still recover it. To recover it, simply select your account and click restore. This way you can restore your Google Analytics account within 35 days of deletion. Now the strike through line has been finished. So this is how you can delete your Google Analytics account. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.